A fresh round of scandals has surrounded the Obamas amid the former U.S. president's divorce rumors, which have given rise to a number of conjectures. A Chicago-based subcontractor has allegedly sued one of the companies managing the building of the Obama Presidential Center, suggesting that Barack Obama is dealing with more than just the continuous scrutiny surrounding his marriage to Michelle Obama. Before we go any further, please kindly hit on the subscribe button. Do not forget to like this video. Thanks. A $40 million federal lawsuit has reportedly been filed by the subcontractor against Thornton Tomasetti, a renowned engineering firm that has also been managing the construction projects. The subcontractor claims that the company has engaged in racial discrimination and has imposed excessive work demands, which has left the subcontractor on the brink of bankruptcy. 2-in-1, a well-known black-owned company with a focus on concrete and rebar services, is owned by Robert McGee. According to him, Thornton Tomasetti's excessively rigorous and unnecessary inspection, which even violates the American Concrete Institute standards, allowed for significant cost overruns later. According to the complaint, McGee has said that certain employees had to deal with a lot of paperwork, which affected their productivity and resulted in a loss of millions of dollars over time. Additionally, only a year ago, Thornton Tomasetti defended its activities by claiming in a document to the lawsuit that the subcontractors were questionably qualified and that their failures were mostly to blame for the delay. In Chicago, the Obama Presidential Center is being built next to Jackson Park. According to reports, it will have a proposed museum as well as meeting, community, and library spaces. Additionally, it will serve as the foundation for the Obama nonprofit, which is primarily in charge of managing the center's construction and running a scholarship program via the Harris School of Public Policy at the University of Chicago. Furthermore, McGee has said that the corporation has unjustly accused his company, 2-in-1, of lacking the necessary training and credentials to carry out its duties. The workers owned by non-minorities, on the other hand, were adequately competent. He is now requesting reimbursement for around $40 in building expenses that the company paid for on its own with Concrete Collective's assistance via a joint venture. The complaint also claims that the African-American owner of a local construction company finds himself and his company on the brink of forced closure because of racial discrimination by the structural engineer, in a shocking and disheartening turn of events. In contrast, Thornton Tomasetti has refuted the accusations and said in a document that the subcontractor's activities were an effort to make up for their mistakes. According to the document, Thornton Tomasetti and an architectural company went above and beyond to support what everyone knows was a subcontractor team with questionable qualifications, particularly in the areas where more qualified subcontractors might not have required the same. The Obama Presidential Center has been on the same page from its first announcement, but this is not the first time it has encountered such difficulties. Originally scheduled to begin construction in 2018, the grand opening was postponed until 2021 and is now scheduled for 2026. Along with applauding the fact that the locals would be moving to the southern part of Chicago, community organizers have voiced worries about the rise in housing expenses. The removal of many trees will ultimately impact bird habitats, according to environmental campaigners. The project was permitted to go forward in 2021 after the Supreme Court failed to step in despite several challenges. In his defense of the center, Barack Obama said it would be a good thing for the neighborhood. He downplayed these worries even before the groundbreaking in 2021, claiming that the project will grow trees and provide new animal habitats. The controversy surrounding this new lawsuit seems to be adding to the Obamas' already existing marital problems and relationship rumors.